Get Passover recipes. Passover. Most people who are not Jewish don't know much about this holiday. With the internet, research is right at your fingertips. This Jewish holiday celebrates the events described in Exodus in the Bible, when Moses led his people out of slavery. If you are not Jewish and would like to learn more about this holiday, or if you wish to host a Passover celebration for Jewish friends or in-laws, then all you will need is a computer, the internet, and a little free time to do some research, and of course a visit to the store for anything you do not have at home. First you need to go to your computer and open your favorite browser. Now when you open this browser there are various search engines you can use: Alta Vista, Google, Bing, Yahoo, and so on. Just choose one to your liking. When you type in the search box, there are a couple of ways to go about searching Passover recipes. You can either type in Passover recipes or Passover recipes. The two will yield very different search results. Basically, when you type in what you want with no quotation marks, you will get everything that says Passover and / or recipe in it, whether it is what you want or not. If you use the quotation marks, you will get only results that have both words in them. The difference between the searches is usually something like 3 or 4 million results versus a few hundred, depending on what you are searching for. When the results pop up, you can go through the results and locate the ones that have the most detailed information, and the widest range of Passover recipes. You'll want to have a wide selection of dishes from which to choose. Now that you have a list of websites with what you are looking for, usually the first few are the most relevant to what you are looking for. Click on a couple of these and compare the recipes. There are a wide range of available recipes, but many of them use similar ingredients. Choose a few that look most interesting to you and print them out. If you'd like to use other sources to find Passover recipes, you can go to your local library or to the cooking section of any major bookstore chain. Both the library and your local bookstore will have dozens of books which feature Passover recipes. Some of these are either old or new enough that you're unlikely to find them online, so you may just be able to bring something unique to the Passover meal. Now that you are armed with the recipes you wish to create within your kitchen, have fun and enjoy Passover.